Solar powering sustainable farming in Kenya. In the heart of Kenya, where the sun shines bright and the land thrives with promise, a revolution is growing. It's not just crops rising from the soil, it's a vision for a sustainable future, powered by the sun. Welcome to the world of solar-powered farming with Power Africa Solar. Imagine Kenyan farmers in Nairobi, Kisumu, and beyond, free from skyrocketing electricity bills and unreliable power grids. At Power Africa Solar, we're making that dream a reality. Our clean, reliable solar energy solutions are transforming farms, powering irrigation, cold storage, and processing equipment with the sun's endless energy. This means more crops, better yields, and thriving communities, all while protecting our planet. With offices in Nairobi and Kisumu, Power Africa Solar is deeply rooted in Kenya, working hand in hand with local farmers to design and install custom solar systems. Our team is just a call away. Nairobi at 0792-247-397 or Kisumu at 0792-245-589. Email us info@powerafricasolar.com. We're here to bring sustainable power to every corner of Kenya. And for Kenyans living in the USA, we've got you covered too. Our USA office at +1 909 906 1897 connects you to our mission, offering exclusive financing options through trusted funding partners. Now you can invest in solar installations for your family's farm in Kenya, ensuring they have the power to grow, prosper, and sustain their legacy, all from across the globe. Power Africa Solar isn't just about energy. It's about empowering lives. From reducing costs to boosting productivity, our solar solutions are sowing the seeds for a brighter, greener Kenya. Visit powerafricasolar.com today to learn how we can bring sustainable power to your farm or your family's land. Join the solar revolution. Contact Power Africa Solar now, and let's grow a sustainable future.